Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Again, we are on another video review for the W28 Pro smartwatch, and as you can see here, okay, our goal is to pair or install, download a watch face for our W28 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so let's see if we do have other smartwatches or watch face available for the smartwatch. Let's check it out in the support app. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so our smartwatch here is preloaded already with several watch faces. Okay, we also added one. Okay, so we have here this one. We also have this. So this one we downloaded earlier to try, and so far it looks okay. As you can see here, there's a lot of data. We do have this one, very popular smartwatch or watch face. We have this animated watch face also, and this one clean looking, as well as this one. Where's that? Okay, okay, this one. Okay, so the question is, how are we going to download additional watch faces for this wearable? So we have here the support app for the smartwatch. So in our dashboard, we have home, sport, device, and my. Okay, my is for your profile, and we have here the device. On the device menu, you can find the find watch, info notice, Bluetooth camera, and the dial manager. So dial manager, that is the watch face section. Just tap on it. Okay. So let's check. Okay, so we are disconnected, so let's connect it first. Okay, we are connected, so let's check. Tap on dial manager. It is now loading the watch face section, and we have here the hot category. Okay, so these are for sale, available for purchase. We have a simple dial. I guess this is free. So as you can see, it has the install with no price on it. We do have a cartoon dial, space dial, we have festive dial, dynamic dial. Okay, so we also have the mechanical dial, that's the analog type. We have digital and other options here. Okay, so let's go back and okay, so we still have additional watch faces here that is for sale. Okay, so let's try and download. Okay, let's go with the dynamic dial here. Okay, where's that? Okay, we have it here. So let's try this one. Maybe this one. Okay, so let's try. Tap on install. Tap on install. Okay, it's now downloading. So let's see. Okay, so we do have an over-the-air update here. Hopefully we'll have a successful downloading of the watch face. So seems like we do have a fast connection here. So let's see. We are on 50%. So let's check. Okay, so we have a successful installation of a dynamic watch face. Okay, just making it sure always that you have a full charge battery and a very good internet connection. So it's a dynamic dial. Okay, nice looking watch face here. Cartoon watch face. Okay, we do have the time, the percentage here. Okay, so what are the other options here? Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's explore more. Okay, so let's check. mechanical. Okay, so the rest are for sale, as you can see here. Okay, it's only 0.99 USD. Okay, let's try this one. Let's check. You are currently logged in as a tourist, which is not supported temporarily. So you need to sign up or register an account to be able to purchase some of the watch face here, as you can see. For the custom watch face, I think it is available here in the my dial section, as you can see here. So let's try. Okay, tap on it. So we have here the font color. Let's select a picture from the gallery. Let's just pick this one. Okay, any just as an example. Okay, okay, so that's it. Okay, so you need to change, let's change the color. Let's just go back to the default white below. Okay, that's it. Select pick again. So you need to adjust first the time as well as the color before you select a picture. Okay, and install. We have again OTA here, so it is being pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully installed the custom watch face. Nice. But the design here is different, as you can see, and the output is different also. Really, can we adjust the time here? Okay, we have 23:46. Okay, that is a military time. Okay, seems like we don't have an option here. My settings, unit settings. Okay, so we have a option here for the 12 system. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's go back to our device, our dial manager, and that's it. As you can see here, we don't have any issues in the installation of the watch face. I think the only issue here, okay, is the availability of the watch face. Most are, almost 50% are for sale. Although they are free, we do hope that they have more free watch face available for download, and not just, you know, most of the quality watch face here, as you can see in the all section, are for sale for 0.99 USD. Okay, and of course you need to register to be able to download the watch faces. But so far, as you can see, we have different category for watch faces, and we also have a custom watch face and the option to change from 12 system to 24-hour system time. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, especially on the installation of the watch face, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.